Meaning of fret.
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 Fret. The word fret has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of the word is to feel or express worry or anxiety, often about something trivial or minor. Fret can also mean to rub or wear away a material through friction or irritation over time. In music, fret refers to the raised ridges on the neck of certain stringed instruments that help the musician identify where to place their fingers to produce specific notes. Overall, fret can describe both emotional states and physical processes of wear and tear.